snow where the ice is bright. Penguins waddle in the cold snowy light, with little flaps and happy feet. They march on the ice to a chilly beat. Penguins slide on their belly so fast, gliding through the snow, making a splash. Waddle to the left, waddle to the right. Penguins love to play in the icy night. Penguins live where it's cold and bright, in Antarctica's ice and snowy light. They dive in the water, they're fishing all day, twist and turn as they swim and play. Penguins are special, they can't fly high, but they swim through the ocean, reaching the sky. They have a family, mama and dad, caring for their babies makes them so glad. Now let's head north, where the cold winds blow, to the Arctic, where the polar bears go. Big and white with paws so strong, they wander the ice all day long. Polar bears love to swim and play, splashing in the waves every day. Rolling in the snow, shaking their fur, with a great big growl, hear them purr. Mama bear cuddles her cubs so tight, keeping them warm through the frosty night. They slide on ice, they tumble and run, playing in the snow is so much fun. Polar bears love the cold and snow, walking on ice where the cold winds blow. They dig little caves to stay so warm, cozy inside through the winter storm. Big strong paws help them stand, walking so soft on the snowy land. They sniff the air, they listen tight, exploring the Arctic day and night. Now let's dive into the ocean so wide, where seals swim around in the cold deep tide. With sleek shiny bodies and flippers to glide, they zoom through the water fast as they slide. Seals love to play in the ocean so deep, bouncing on the ice and making a leap. They swim in circles, splash around, under the water they don't make a sound. Baby seals are born on the ice, with fluffy fur that's soft and nice. Their mama keeps them safe and sound, as they play in the snow all around. Seals are great swimmers, they move so fast, they leap through the water, splashing at last, with big round eyes and a playful face. They glide through the sea, a wild chase. Seals love the cold, they live in the sea, caring for their pups, swimming with glee. On ice floes they rest and nap all day. The Arctic is home where they love to stay. Penguins, polar bears, and seals all play in the Arctic and the Antarctic every day. The cold is their home, the snow is their land. They walk, slide, swim across the snow. Polar bears stomp, their paws so strong. Seals flip and slide, sing their. Penguins waddle with wings so wide. These Arctic friends live side by side. They're different but they share the snow. In the cold they all grow, from icy waters to snowy land. They live together, hand in hand.